Good morning, students. Let us study the activity number 1, that is numerical based on potentiometer. Students, let us read the question first. A potentiometer wire has resistance per unit length. Students, resistance per unit length. The symbol of resistance per unit length is what? Sigma, as I told you. In the data, what is the first value? Sigma is given. That is what? 0.1 volt ohm per meter. A cell of EMF 1.5 voltage balance against 300 centimeter. Students, the value of EMF of a cell is given. How much it is? 1.5 volt. And it balances the length of 300 centimeter. Students, sigma is given in per meter. So we have to convert this centimeter into what? Meter. For that we will divide 300 by 100. Sorry. Is equals to 3 meter. Students, what is the question? Find the current through the potentiometer. Students, as I told you, the lecture of Kirchhoff's current law. Sorry, students. Let us apply the formula. Resistance per unit length, sigma. What is the formula for resistance per unit length, students? R upon L. Sigma equals to what? R upon L. So what is R equals to? Sigma into L, which is equals to what? R. Students, value of sigma is given. Value of length is also given, which is 3. As I found here. So 3 into 0.1 is what? 0.3 ohm. So resistance we got. We know the formula for current. That is what? From Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law states that resistance is what? Voltage upon current. So what is current, therefore? Voltage upon resistance. So current we have to find out. So what is the voltage apply over here? E, 1.5 voltage, and resistance we already found here, 0.3. So 1.5 upon 0.3. If I shift point towards right, so 15 upon 3, which is what? 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. What is the unit of current? Ampere. So we got the value of current E. Let us do the second activity, student. A battery of EMF 8 volt and internal resistance 2 ohm is connected to a resistor. Students, now battery, along with the battery, the information of internal resistance is also given. So what is battery of EMF? 8 volt. The internal resistance is what? 2 ohm. Is connected to a resistor. Now value of resistor we don't know. The value of the resistor will be what? R. If the current is, the circuit is what? 0.4. Current is given, students, 0.4 ampere. What is the resistance of the resistor? But we have to find the value of R. Calculate the terminal voltage of the battery when the circuit is what? Closed. But the voltage across what? Resistor R. We have to find out. Students, as I told you in Kirchhoff's current law, the battery is connected across R. There is the internal resistance of battery of EMF E. And we derive one formula in the lecture of Kirchhoff's current law. I equals to what? E upon R plus R, if you remember. That formula I am going to apply, because here not only R is there, because in the previous formula we apply E upon R, but here small r is also there. So I'm going to, because that R is connected in series, so we can't ignore or neglect this small r. So what is Ohm's law? I equals to E upon total resistance. Students, I don't know value of R. We know the value of small r, but I will shift this total bracket in the left hand side. I will shift I in the right hand side. E upon I. What is the value of E? 8 voltage. That is the value of I, 0.4. Simple mathematics. If I shift point towards right, 80 upon 4, which is what? 20. Value of small r is 2. If I shift plus 2 over there, minus 2. 20 minus 2 is what? 18 ohm. So students, we got the value of R. Now we have to find the terminal voltage across R. So according to Ohm's law, R equals to V upon I. So what is terminal voltage? Current into resistor. Resistor we already found here, 18 ohm into current. We know that 0.4 ampere. 18 for the 72, that is 7.2 voltage. Thank you very much.